Hey everybody, it's Dr. A back in the garden again. And I just wanted to show you this cool little plant. It's early spring here in my garden. And this is a plant called Geum, G-E-U-M. Its common name is Avens. I kind of like Geum better actually. But this is one called Geum Rose. You can see how beautiful the flowers are. I'm kind of real low down here. Flowers tend to be pendulous, so you don't really see them quite as well as you are right now if you're standing up. But it's a pretty plant. It's a cool season plant. It's going to do well in the spring. It's going to look good in the fall. And in southern climes like where I am in northern Georgia, it's going to look great in the winter. But take a look at it. I love geums in general. They also have really neat little seed heads, kind of little feathery things. But Geum Rose, one of my favorite plants, and I'm happy to see it doing so well right now. Enjoy.